My name is Ben Pruscia. I'm the Director of Precision Ag at Central Crop Consulting. And for the last year, I've been working with Role Model to develop software for FieldX. What the software does is it simplifies processes that used to be very complicated and time-consuming. And now it streamlines it, it puts it into an easy-to-use wizard, and saves time and gets us a better product in the end. When we did first start working on it, I was surprised at how interested the Role Model team and John were in learning about the process of precision agriculture and learning about agriculture, and how quickly he picked up our desired workflows. And by very early on in the process, he was using terminology that would have been foreign to him before the project started. Using terminology that made sense within the industry, and understanding workflows, understanding the processes. And I was very impressed and surprised at how quickly that process happened. The first time I demoed it to my coworkers, some of the first comments were, "Wow, every click you make, I can see myself making more money now because it's going to free up my time and I'm able to do my job more efficiently." So after 12 years of working in the precision ag industry and doing complex variable rate fertilizer prescriptions, I'm really excited because I believe FieldX VRT is going to empower agronomists to do their job more efficiently. They're going to be able to complete complex tasks that weren't previously possible. This product is already being used on millions of acres, and it's just going to be fun to see the impact it has going forward.